Do you have a go-to food? What will you make if you only have a few minutes or limited time of cooking? In this video, I'm going to share with you my go-to food that will only take 10 to 12 minutes of cooking. It is super easy, quick, and delicious. Now, are you ready? Here are our ingredients. 250 grams shrimp, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon butter, salt, ground black pepper, lemon pepper, Scampi seasoning. Here are the full ingredients. Let's start cooking! Instructions. Melt butter over medium heat. Put garlic, then put shrimp, stir it, add salt, sprinkle ground black pepper, add Scampi seasoning, stir it, then add lemon pepper. Stir it again and taste it. Turn off stove or burner once desired taste is achieved. Now we are ready to eat! Shout out to Sister Ethel who commented on our last cooking video, honey garlic chicken. She made it and she said that her kids love it. Also to Gian and to all Cebuanos all over the world, kumusta mong tanan? And to all Filipinos out there, hello po! Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. May the Lord bless you wherever you are. For those who have not watched our previous videos, please click the link below sa description box. Thank you po! Keep praying, be safe, and God bless. Bye-bye! See you soon sa next video po natin ulit!